Hello everyone, welcome back to Vector Labs FCE LLC. Let's start our new tutorial of File Manager user interface, in which we will learn how to create the internal storage, OneCloud and all other categories. So before watching our complete tutorial, like and subscribe our channel to get more updates immediately. So let's start our tutorial. First open Windows PowerShell and create File Manager UI folder. Open VS Code and open folder File Manager UI. Go to pubspec.yaml and create %indicator. Now go to test widget test dot and remove constant. Now create a new folder, assets. In assets, add a new folder, images. Import the images from GitHub, link given in the description, to the images folder. So all the images have been imported here. Go to library and create a new dot. Body dot dot. Go to main dot. Import package body dot. Remove this part and change the title File Manager. Remove theme and add debug show checked mode banner. Set it false and set the my home page. Remove constant. Now go to class my home page and remove this portion. Also remove this script. Go to class my home page and remove this and remove this widget script. Add widget, build context, add return scaffold. In scaffold, add background color, select the color blue. You can also change the color. Add app bar, add background color, colors dot blue. Now add elevation, set it 0 and leading. Add icon, select icons dot colored outlined and select the color colors dot white. Add semicolon to scaffold and below app bar add body. Remove HTML dot, add a comment. You can see that main dot is showing some problems. We will solve them later. Go to body dot and add the following script. You can see that body dot is showing problem of package % indicator. Go to pubspec.yml. You can see that we have added percent indicator. Press Ctrl S and save the file. Now body dot have removed the problems. In body dot we have added a stateful widget and added save area. Make a single child scroll view and add a column child to it. Then add children widget and add main body. To main body, add a padding constant edge insets dot only. Set its position from right and left 25 and add child row. This row is responsible for two portions, categories and view all. Select main axis alignment, space between. This alignment adds a space between categories and view all. Then add a children constant widget and make a column. Select cross and main axis alignment start. Then add a children widget, make two text categories and total 22 files. You can also change the name categories and total number of files. In categories, add a style text style and select the color of categories and font size and set it font bold. Then in total 22 files, add a color white. Then in second text view all, select its color yellow and font weight bold. Then add a list of folders. Add two folders in one list folder. Select icon for first and second folder. These icons will be selected from assets images folder. Add a directory assets images and photos.png. Our first icon will be photos and second icon of video. Add a title photos and select its total number 749. You can also change the number. Then for second icon videos, select its number 83. In this way you can also select the icon's title and number of files in specific folders in music, game, apps, files and their numbers. Then add a container main body and return container. Select its site 410 and add a child stack. In stack, add children widget top bar and scroll. Now customize the top bar, add a container and set its height 250. Add a box decoration and select its color black. You can also change the color of top bar and set the border radius. Add radius circular 40 to bottom left and bottom right. You can also change the radius from upper left and upper right. Upper portion of top bar is corner shaped and bottom part is circular. Now add a child column and set its alignment to start and add a size box height 20. In top bar we will select some items. First add a text welcome and select its color white. Then add a spacer and icon of settings. You can also change another text Maxwell or another name and select its color, font size and font weight. Then add a container for scroll and select its margin edge insets dot only and set its position from top 150. Now add a child list view and set its scroll direction axis dot horizontal. Add a size box of width 40. Now add a container and set margin from right 25 and add a width 200. Add a box decoration and select its color red and add a border radius of radius circular 30. You can also change the color of box. In red box we will add some padding, column, row and add a container of height and width 50-50. Then add a box decoration and select its color white. So add the icon, select its path from assets and add its path. It will fit in the box. Then add a new icon, 3 dots. Select its color and fit it in box. Select its size, scale 15 and color white. Now add a text internal, select its padding and add a style, text style color white and set its font size from 28 to any other number. Now add a new padding for this percent indicator. Select its height, width, percent and progress color. To read the storage data, add to text. In seconds, select the total storage data 64 GB and select the occupied storage. Select their colors white and font weight bold. For clean button, add a row and select its height and width. Add box decoration and color red, border radius 20. In this red button, add a white button by adding axis alignment space between and select its height and width and decoration. Now in white button, add a text clean. Write clean in text. Select its font size and alignment center. Now for these 5 arrows, add a shader mask and select its starting and ending color. To add the arrows, add a child text and write this. Then select its font size and font weight. Now go to another box, this green box, add a margin and select width. Add a box decoration and select the color green and border radius 30. And add the same script as in the internal storage box and replace it with cloud and one cloud text. Change the storage volume, select the clean button color green and remaining script as it is as in the internal storage box. Now customize the folders, add a class list folder, make it stateless widget and required this title 1, file 1, title 2, file 2, icon 1 and icon 2. Add final strings for these. Select their padding from left, top and right and set the axis alignment space between. Select the box decoration white. Add the folder from images folder and set its position from top and left. Now write a script for title 1 and file 1. Select their font size and font weight and their cross axis alignment start. Then add a new container and select its height and width. This script is for these 3 folders and second container for these 3 folders. Script of both containers is almost the same, so our body dot is also complete. You can see that here are 3 exceptions. Ignore them for whole file and start debugging. So our file manager app is ready. You can also view this in mobile view and desktop view. Here you can also see that here is a home icon and a title welcome Maxwell, settings icon and 2 boxes internal storage and 1 cloud. About 30 GB is full out of 64 GB and in 1 cloud 25 GB is full out of 100 GB. Clean the junk files by clicking the clean button and here are folders for photos, music, caps, videos, games and files. Total 22 files are added in the categories. You can view them by clicking the view all button. So we have created a complete file manager user interface. You can copy the script and assets from GitHub, link given in the description. And if you want to develop your apps by us, you can contact us on LinkedIn Vector Labs FZ LLC. Hope so you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you have any questions regarding file manager UI, you can ask the question in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.